Hi, this is Heather. Today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful granny square inspired scarf. And for this project I'm using an eye hook, and it measures 8.5 inches wide by 60 inches long. We're chaining 26, and you can add or subtract chains in multiples of 3. That way you can make it as small or as large as you want, like for a blanket for instance. And so I chained 26, and the first row is going to be single crochet, so you can do 25 single crochets. We're going to go into the very first stitch and do our first single crochet, and another, all the way across the row. And you can skip ahead to row 2 if you'd like, but we're going to do a single crochet across the row. And 3 more to go. And now at the end of that row we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. Now we are going to chain 3, where we did 1, 2, 3, and we are going to do 1 double crochet in the same space as this chain 3. Normally we would skip it because this is its own stitch, but this time for this scarf we're going to do 1 in the exact base of this chain 3. So we have wrap the yarn once, insert the hook, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. We're going to skip 2 chains, 2 stitches, and we're going to do 3 double crochets in the next stitch. So wrap the yarn once, skip, skip, next stitch, wrap through 2 loops, pull through the 2 loops, and we're going to do 2 more in the same space. Wrap the yarn, insert the hook, pull it through, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and 1 more, same space, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. And now we're going to skip another 2 chains and do 3 double crochets in the very next stitch. Wrap the yarn, insert the hook, pull it through, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and do that again. Double crochet, same space, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and do 1 more double crochet in that same space. Wrap the yarn, insert the hook, pull it through, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, skip 2 more chains, 2 more stitches, and in the very next stitch do another 3 double crochets, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, same space, double crochet, pull it through, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and we have 1 more to go in the same space. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull it through, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, skip another 2 chains, and the next, same thing, 3 double crochets. Last one, same space. And we're going to keep repeating that. We're going to skip 2. Next stitch, 3 double crochets. And one more to go in the same space. Skip 2 chains, 3 double crochets in the next stitch. And this does make for a very warm scarf, even though it's not completely solid. It's a very thick stitch. And our last double crochet in this space. Skip 2 more, we're almost done. Skip 2 stitches, and the next one do 3 double crochets. Last one, same space. Skip 2 stitches, and in the very last stitch we're going to do 1 double crochet. And now the pattern is beginning to show there. Now on row 3 you're going to be doing groups of the 3 double crochets in each space created by where we skip the stitches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And this very first space that we have, we're going to do 3 double crochets. So wrap the yarn once, insert the hook, pull it through, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and we'll do 2 more in that same space. Now we're going to move to the next space created by the skip stitch. Wrap the yarn once, go all the way over to that space and do a double crochet. And 2 more. Last one. Now we're going to move on to the next space. And we're going to do 3 double crochets. So reach all the way over, do our first double crochet. Wrap the yarn, insert the hook, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. And our last double crochet. And we're going to go to the next space here and do another 3 double crochets in it. And 1 more double crochet. And again 3 double crochets in the next space. Reach over and do our first double crochet. And the next. And the last double crochet in that space. And our next space over, we're going to do 3 double crochets inside it. Reach over, do our first, and our second, same space, and again, last one, two more spaces to go. Here's our next. I'm going to go and do a double crochet into that. In our second. And our last in this group. One more group here. Our first double crochet. Our second. Our third. And we're doing one double crochet in the turning chain. And that is right here. We're going to look at the last stitch of the row. And we're going to do one double crochet in the next bump there. And complete that double crochet. And that is row 3. On this next row, we'll be doing 7 groups of the double crochets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this will be the final row I'm showing you, repeating the last row and this row. Chain 3, turn our work, reach over to this first space, and we're doing 3 double crochets in it. Our second, our third, reach over the next space and we'll do 3 double crochets in it. And now we have our next space. We'll do 3 double crochets in it. And our third. That's completed. We go to our next space, do 3 double crochets in it. That's our second. Now we're going to do our last one in this group. In the next space, 3 double crochets. And we'll do our last in this group. And we have a couple more groups to go. We have our next one here. And the last in this group. And our final grouping. One more to go. And we're going to skip these last 3 stitches. And we're going to do a double crochet into the turning chain. So just go to the last stitch of the row and go 1 bump further. And that is row 4 completed. I hope you try this pattern soon. It makes for a beautiful fabric. And all the information for the pattern can be found in the link under the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.